Let's go to Jannah. Come on, it's gonna be great. Let's do good together to help us on our way.
Mama? Yes, Noura? I couldn't help but notice that these last 10 days of Ramadan you've been reading a lot more Quran. Are you just doing it to become more pious? Well, I'm trying to finish the khatam I've been working on this whole Ramadan. Oh, is Baba gonna buy you a present when you're done? That's a good idea. You should suggest that to him. But no, actually, when I finish my khatam, afterwards I'm gonna make some dua and Allah's gonna accept that dua. Oh, cool. Whatever you make dua for? Yeah. That's so cool, Mama. You know what? I'm gonna get to work on my own khatam. Actually, Noura, most people start their khatam, in the beginning of Ramadan, not the last 10 days. So it'll be really hard for you. Well, never mind that, Mama. You know what you say? Rather late than never. I'm gonna get to work on my khatam. I have so many things I want Allah to give me. Candy. أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون. Assalamu alaikum, Noura. Oh, Ismail. Oh my goodness, I've been working on my khatam for 2 whole hours and I've only done two pages and one of them is Surah Fatiha. Oh, what am I gonna do? I'm definitely won't be able to do a full khatam. Oh, don't cry, Noura. I know something. If you read it 3 times, you get the same reward as reading a khatam. What? Do I know it? Is it long? It's really short, and you know it. It's Surah Ikhlas. Oh! You mean if I read Surah Ikhlas 3 times only, I get the same reward as reading a full khatam, the full Quran? Yeah. Wow, that's so cool. I'm going to do way more khatams than you will, Ismail. Sure. Actually, Noura, I came to ask you your advice. You see, there's so many different types of adhkar and things that I can read, but I'm just really not sure which one should I read. Can you help me, Oh, sure, you came to the right person. I'm the most knowledgeable there is. And this book has it here written. Oh, yes, here. Subhanallah al-Azim wa bihamdihi. If you read that one, a tree is planted for you in Jannah. Whoa, that's super cool. I'm going to do it a number of times and then I'm going to get a good garden. Wow. Yeah, it is pretty cool. Allahu Akbar, when you read that one, the space between the sky and the ground is filled just by that one word. Whoa, that's even cooler. And the last one is La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. When you read that one, you get a treasure in Jannah. Wow, I'm going to read that one a lot of times and I'm going to become really rich. Yes. Well, excuse me, I'm going to get to work on my khatam. Yes, I'm going to leave everybody in my desk. I'm going to do so many different khatams. Allah is so generous. Mama, Noura. Oh, Mama, why are you wearing the blanket on your head? Oh, calm down. Oh, I'll tell you. Why is the furniture all moved around? What's going on here? Oh, Noura, I was trying to do some focused ibadah. Oh, can't you close your eyes? Well, I could, but I wanted to really focus and not be distracted at all by any of my surroundings so I could focus on worshipping Allah and really just remembering Allah. Oh, well, why the blanket? Because it prevents me from seeing all the things around me so I don't get distracted, like, the TV, the radio. Yeah. Oh, where did you get this idea from, Mama? Well, our Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, when he used to go to itikaf in the last 10 days, he used to build a tent in the masjid. In the masjid? Why does he need a tent in the masjid? The same reason I need the blanket over my head. Oh, I see. Well, this is a very interesting idea. I think I want to try it. Yeah, you can try it. You can build a tent in your bedroom with Ismail. Cool. Great idea. Thanks, Mama. Here's your blanket. Thanks, Noura. Allahu Ahad, Allahu Samad, Lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Sadaqallah al-Azim. Wow, that was like my 23rd khatam. Wow, Noura, look at this cool tent. Yes, it's pretty cool. This is my ibadah tent. I'm really working to go to Jannah in these last 10 days. Wow, me too. Yes, well, I bet you don't have a tent, do you? Well, no. Let's work to go to Jannah together. What do you think, Noura? I agree. What's that in your hand? My musalla. I thought maybe we could pray some extra salahs together. Oh, good idea. You could put yours next to mine, just a little bit behind it. I'm going to lead you. Okay, Noura. Just don't read Surah Ikhlas. I'll try. I don't know many surahs, you know. Allahu Akbar.
Let's go to Jannah. Come on, it's gonna be great. Let's do good together to help us on our way.